Hey guys, we're back with another live stream for Project Zima. I think it's been a while since we did the last one, so I'll give you a little bit of details on what we did so far, what we're going to try to do today. I switched over to a testnet environment. This is on Goerli right now, so these tokens, this is just kind of a token that I launched on my own on testnet just to have something up, so don't mind that these price numbers and everything. I want to today focus a bit more on the account section. We've kind of got this trade section more or less up and running. It's hooked up to Uniswap on the back end, and you could actually trade on this already right now. Although we don't have the account abstraction stuff set up yet, we can do that next time. But for now, I want to focus a bit on this accounts page. First of all, I started thinking about what we're trying to accomplish here and how we might want to extend Zima more than just on Ethereum network. We might want to have multiple network support. So in that sense, it's a bit harder to kind of just display only this ETH balance. On top of that, wallets can have all kinds of tokens in there as well too, or all kinds of ERC20 tokens in there. We might want to display that as well too. There's a couple of challenges here. Because on-chain balances are permissionless, oftentimes wallets that are active kind of get sent scam coins or spam coins all the time. We don't necessarily want to just programmatically read every single balance in your wallet. I think a good approach is maybe adopting what MetaMask has done. If you guys have seen kind of like importing importing token addresses in there, we might want to do something similar. So we might only by default only show your base token balance, which might be, for example, on the Ethereum network, this would be your Ethereum balance. On Polygon, for example, this might be your Matic balance. And even on Ethereum L2s, you would have separate ETH balance on your L2s versus your chain ID 1 ETH balance, right? So we want to do something like that. So I've kind of fleshed out a little bit already here. For example, view all balances. That's going to pop up this modal. This is just boilerplate for now. But here, users, I'm imagining, would be able to import their token address. And by importing this, they'll start to be able to see the balances here. Before we start doing that, maybe we can kind of just flesh out some defaults on here. I think a good way to kind of get started with that is with LocalStorage. Let me see where I have that. Started fleshing that out as well too. Here we got imported tokens. So we've got some simple stuff here. So get, add, remove. Oh, sorry, this is favorites, which is not what it should be. Let's rename this. Remove imported token. There we go. And we might want to have some defaults, which I've put it under here. Const, we got some default imported tokens. Let's start with that. We want to render network the base token balance, and then our default imported tokens. Let's start with that, and then later we can kind of start working on having the ability to add and remove imported tokens. Sorry, excuse me. Okay. So where are we at on this page? This is our account token balances page, I think it was. Yeah, testing. Let's just double check. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so we'll make a subcode component here. Let's call it. Let's call it balance card. Excuse me. Drink. All right. Balance card. Okay. So instead of this, now we are. Oh, excuse me. Stick this out. It's wondering. Oh, balance card. Balance card. We might have two different types, but we might want to have one's token balance card and base token balance card. How do I want to call this? Okay, let's make one for the base network first, because for sure we want to show those. Let's call this base token balance card. Okay. Card. Okay. Let's scout these out first. Check out my other token card. Some styling first. Try to be a little bit consistent. 90 for width. Do I want to have the same thing? Let's just see first. Let's just see how that looks. I'm okay with this for now. Let's copy more of this styling. Want the token on the left, balance on the right. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Sorry, excuse me, guys. I have a bit of a clogged nose today. Let's find some props here. Symbol. Base token. Symbol. Base token. decimals. Base token name. Base token decimals. That's a good start. Let's figure out here. Okay. Well, base token name, base token decimals. Let's see. Row. So let's put this inside its own div. Base token symbol. Yeah, we want to shorten it just in case it's a long name, which usually shouldn't be. Base token name. Some inputs. Okay, let's just put in some dummy numbers here. Dummy values, rather. See how that looks. There we go. Okay. But I don't want this. Is that okay? Or do we want it to be consistent? Let's see how our token cards looked. It's next to it. Oh, we also have this icon as well. Although it's okay, we don't necessarily have to follow the same. I kind of like the way this looks actually. It gives us a little bit more space to play with. But I do want to add it the, or excuse me, the logo. Do I have that? Chain info. Yeah, we got this icon. Okay, let's throw in an icon in here. What type is that? How to do that in the token card? Oh, I see. I just got it like this. We probably do want chain ID on here, to be honest. Yeah, I probably do want chain ID anyway. So let's just get chain ID number. All right. And we would just get it from got this get chain icon function. Okay, and I want to have these comment blocks in here just for my OCD. Okay, so we need a chain ID on here. I'm just gonna make this the Gourley test that one for now, because we're working in Gourley environment. And first of all, this should be working, right? Check. Yeah, cool. Okay. We got this row already, so let's get the image first. For the image, let's just copy this. Here we go. I think we need to import image too. There we go. Now we should we can ignore that, I think. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, well, we still need to fix this first. Let's make this first a little bit bigger. Yeah, that was good. Okay, and then let's put these side by side. So let's wrap these inside a div. Not this one inside this div. Can that work? No. How do I want this to look? Okay, let's wrap these inside another div. Class name, flex row. Let's see how that looks first. Whoa, why is this, it's a bit strange that this is squished like this. Dimensions are the same. I'm missing something. How big is this? Just I don't want to make this clickable, actually. Why is my image squished like that? Let's see, if I put it out here, it's fine. Bigger. What if I was to make this done? Okay. Let's all wrap that. Outer div. If I did this, okay, move all of these. Yeah, that squishes me. Why? I'm going to move these one by one and see what's the culprit. Item center. That's what screws it up. Okay, well, let's move the others first. Okay. Fine, I'll just leave it there then. Fine, whatever. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Sizing of this. Let's see. That's quite big, isn't it? Oh, it looks okay here. Never mind. Can leave it at 4. Okay. So that is this, and we want to add it in justify between here because we needed also the balances. How do we do that? See how this looks. Okay, we do want to item center this. How can we go about that? Place self-center, can I do that? Do that? What does that do? Oh yeah, it does. Okay, let's do it like that. This number does look a bit small though. Do I want to make it bigger? It was fine here. How many decimal places are we going to show here? Because these are going to be like big, long numbers. We also might want to distinguish base token balance together aside from actually I think it's fine. We do want to show the networks. Okay, well let's worry about formatting this number later. So we've got this now. How do we go from these static values to dynamic ones? Thinking of some ideas. We have here our list of all our chain IDs. Am I using this anywhere? Don't know if I actually want this on I kind of want to change this from IDs to the actual chains itself, because the IDs will be easy to grab from this. Never mind. We can change that up later. So for now, it's so hard to decide. Ported chains. Oh, maybe this is what I wanted actually. Supported chains by environment. Am I using that also? I am. Yeah, let's use that for now. Support chains. Okay, so const. What was it called again? Supported chains by n. Okay, so this is going to be, oh, not here, sorry. Here. Oh, come on. There we go. And now we've got this. And now we want to, okay, so let's map over this. Supported chains dot map. Always hate. Okay. That work? Oh, what am I missing? Key. I think I'm going to need a div here, wrap it inside. Okay. Key equals, ID. Go like that. Does that work so far? Well, sure, it's pretty easy. So let's now start replacing this. Name will now be chain dot name chain dot native currency dot sim. Oh, there's name here too. Okay. Wonder what the difference is. Chain dot native currency dot decimals. You know what? And here chain dot ID. There we go. Okay, so now it's a bit more dynamic. So you could imagine if we had multiple networks on here, we'd have. Do I want to have a little bit of a header here? I do, probably. Let's see. Let's just call this H4. Chain dot native currency dot name balances. Let's see how that looks like. Whoa, that's big. Have a lot of space to work with mobile, huh? Flex, call, gap 2. Actually, no, that's not what I want. Let's just give it a bit of margin, that's all. Margin bottom. 4. symbol maybe? No. I think I just maybe make this smaller. That's all. Network. And let's make a semicolon. See how that looks. That looks okay, actually. Unless maybe do I want to change up this color as well too? Let's see. Text neutral 500. How does that look? It's a little bit more invisible, which is nice. Let's keep it like this for now. Okay. It's got the base token balance, and we also, do we want to grab the actual balance as well too? We probably do. I think it's use balance. Let me just look up the Wagmi docs real quick on the side. Use balance. Let's see what we can give it. Oh yeah, we can give it we can force it a chain ID. Okay, perfect. Const balance equals use balance. Oh, we need an address, obviously, chain ID. Actually, balance is optional, so we don't need to force the address. Probably what we want, right? I guess this would just grab whatever account you're attached to, that balance. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see what that looks like. This is going to be ugly at first, but we can fix this up. Whoops. What is that? Data. Good old data. Value. Okay, let's just I just want to see that. Oh, excuse me. Big it or default. See that? Why is that not working? That's not value. What is it not like here? Type begin is not assignable React node. What's going on? I'm not necessarily just think it's something simple. Why would this be a React? Oh, it comes with property children? What? What is it because of this element? What if it was, what if it's H5? Does that fix it? No. Everything else worked fine. Oh, that was so weird. Okay, I don't know what that was. So weird. But why am I not getting my balance? Or is it still actually giving an error, but I just not seeing it? Balance here is 11. How did I get that number? Same thing. Address is address. Maybe I do need this. I don't know. Yeah, it still doesn't like this. This JS tags children prefix as control. Multiple children were provided. That is very odd. I don't know why. Why does it expect children? Am I just? Let me just type this over again. Balance. Can you just do that? What the? What if I put it in here? What if I just did this? Yeah, somehow that works. So what am I missing? Was it something from up here? Doesn't look like it to me. Excuse me. If I put some other value in here. Why are all these values okay, but oh, because this is a big int. Oh my goodness, that's why. Obviously, this is a big int. Sorry guys. Yeah, so let's just string this, for example. That will work. Yeah, okay. That took me embarrassingly long to figure out. Okay, sorry about that. Just go place self-center. SH4, right? Text submetaphor. Yeah, okay, cool. Well, let's just, okay. Let's format this now instead. What did we have? Let's say number, or string utils maybe? Let's see. I think this might be what we want. Format units with decimals. Yeah. Units, decimals. Let's put base token decimals here. And how many do we want to display? Maybe 5. Whoops, sorry. What is it not like now? It should be up here. Cool, okay. Now we've got some numbers up in here, which looks good. Now I want to start getting our other balances as well. In theory, if I have more than one network on here, it should show up all over it. Which, actually, you know what? I'm curious. Could I just do this? Right? Mainnet. Quarterly. See what happens. Almost there. I just need these in a... Good thing we checked. Flex, call. No, it doesn't like that. Oh, whoops, sorry, no, that's not what I wanted. This div would be flex call down here. There we go, I like that. I like that a lot more. Do I need these? Just see what this looks like first. Yeah, and then gap. I'm gonna make this fairly big, I think. This is are these inside? This is inside this div, right? Yeah, it is. We will want these also to be next, but for now, it's looking pretty good. I like this. I like the way this looks right now. Network balances, quarterly ether network balances. Okay, let's switch this back for now. Just to, whoops, just to quarterly. Cool. I want to change this number later, to be honest, too. I want to make this to show like the USD account balance, but we'll leave that for later. Cool. Now we want to do not just the base token balance, which looks fine. We want to start doing the regular token balances, because okay, so how can we go about doing that? This probably wants a token of type I token. We probably want to copy a lot of this, to be honest. ID props port image. What's we got? Don't need this. Let's do this for now. Chain ID. Whoops, not get chain ID. Import get chain icon. And now we're ready to get started. Symbol. Short string. All right, so how do we get these values now? So I've been calling anything that's ESG20 quote token and everything else based. Do I want to do that here? Actually, never mind. Let's just leave this for now. We can change it. We can refactor later if we want. So we won't have our imported tokens list on here. We might be nesting some divs here, which would be a bit nasty. Sorry, nesting. Let's see. First, this goes here. You know what? I want to take out this. Let's see. Move that out. Address or where's my address or default? Okay, and now we want a balance card. We got both of these here. Okay. All right, and now we just need the tokens. I token. Get this for now. All right, and we had a list here from console. Const imported. No, in our imported tokens, maybe? Get imported tokens, there we go. Imported tokens equals get imported. And this gets us imported tokens across every network. This gives us a list of iTokens. Great. Okay, so is this how this works? Imported tokens dot map. Token. I think here we can just go by key equals. And okay, that looks good so far. Cool, all right, that's looking good so far. I'm not sure why this shows up 2 times, but let's figure that out later. First, I want to space these out a little bit. How do I wrap these all in one div? Is this a bit too messy? Flex call. Okay, that's good. Now, why are we getting, well, let's see what this looks like first. Oh, right, this gets me all the imported tokens, which we can see here. And I've got, we want to filter actually by chain ID. Got it. So how would we want to do that? Where are we? Here we are. Import tokens. Can I make this? Actually, first let's get the balance. Before we figure out that. Use rebalance, I think we've got, right? Here's C20. Read balance of. Read balance of. What does that take in? Token, which is token.address, user address. What else? Chain ID. Let's just follow the same syntax. And then we want to format it, right? We need the token decimals, which is annoying. I should have added this into, so we don't have the decimals in here, which is annoying. I need to fix that on my own. Anywhere we can grab that. No, but let's just hardcode this for now. I will fix that later. All right, so next thing is, how do I filter? So this is the actual real, this is on mainnet, and this is the testnet one. So I want to have some filters on here. Import it. I don't know if I can do this or not. Imported dot filter. Dot chain. Okay. I don't know if I can do this here like this, but let's try get imported tokens by chain. Here. What? Don't know if I can do this. Chain.id. Oh, I can do that. Okay, cool. Yeah, there we go. Now that only pops up chains in my particular network. And let's, just to make sure that that's working, we can go back to this chain info and show that. Show that very easily. Excellent, awesome. So we've got all our Viem network balances here, Goerli network balances here, looking good. Yeah, it's a pretty good start. Let's a couple of things we need to fix. One of these, getting rid of that hard coding of the token decimals. I want to add that to the iToken struct itself, which is my back end. But for now, this is looking okay. We want to have the ability to, of course, import tokens. But we can do that in the next stream. For now, everything looks pretty good for now. So I think we can leave it here for now and continue on in the next stream. As always, if you enjoyed this live coding session for Project Zima, please make sure you like and subscribe. Whoops, let's get rid of this first. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll make sure to do more of these. And I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Bye.